You're out with friends in Japan. Someone says, Izakaya ni ikou. Let's go to an izakaya. Do you know what to say when you get there? After today, absolutely. Let's go. Hey friend, welcome back to Easy Japanese Talk. I'm Mia, and with me as always,
ヒロです。皆さん、こんにちは。
Hiro. Last episode, we checked into a Japanese hotel. Room types, facilities, checkout, all of it. Today, we are doing something completely different and, honestly, one of the most fun episodes we've done. We're going to the Izakaya.
居酒屋大好き。
Izakaya, the Japanese pub, and Hiro clearly approves. Now, if you've never heard the word izakaya, it's a style of Japanese bar and restaurant combined. The vibe is casual, relaxed, loud in the best way. It's where Japanese people go after work, with friends, with family. The food comes in small shared plates. The drinks keep flowing, and the whole atmosphere is built around hanging out together. It is one of the most beloved parts of Japanese social culture.
日本の文化。
Nihon no bunka, Japanese culture. And here's what makes the izakaya different from a regular restaurant. First, you usually order lots of small dishes to share, called otsumami or sakana, bar snacks or side dishes. Second, drinks are ordered separately and often refilled throughout the night. Third, there's a whole vocabulary that's specific to izakaya that you won't hear anywhere else. And that's exactly what we're learning today. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to get seated, order drinks, order food, ask for another round, and handle the bill, all in natural izakaya Japanese. Let's start at the door. You arrive at the izakaya. The staff greets you with,
いらっしゃいませ。何名様ですか？
いらっしゃいませ。何名様ですか? Welcome. How many people? Nanmei-sama. How many guests? Sama is the very polite version of san. So if you're a group of 4,
4名です。
4名です. 4 people. Mei is the counter for people in formal situations, like nin, but more polite. 4名です. There are 4 of us. And if you have a reservation,
予約しています。鈴木と申します。
予約しています. Suzuki to moshimasu. I have a reservation. Your name to moshimasu. So if your name is Suzuki, you say Suzuki to moshimasu. Just swap in your own name. Same polite phrase we learned for phone calls in episode 19. It works perfectly here too. The staff will then show you to your seat. At many izakaya, you get a private room with a low table called a zashiki, or regular table seating.
座敷。
Zashiki, the tatami floor room where you sit on cushions, a very traditional and cozy izakaya experience. Once you're seated, the first thing that happens at almost every izakaya in Japan is
お通し。
O-tooshi. This is something you'll encounter at almost every izakaya in Japan. O-tooshi is a small appetizer that arrives automatically without you ordering it. And yes, you will be charged a small fee for it. Think of it as a cover charge in food form. It's completely normal. Don't be surprised. Just enjoy it. Now, drinks. This is the heart of the izakaya experience. The staff will ask,
お飲み物はいかがですか？
Onomimono wa ikaga desu ka? What would you like to drink? Onomimono, drinks. Ikaga desu ka is a very polite way of saying, how about? Now, the most iconic izakaya order in all Japan, draft beer.
生ビールをください。
Nama biiru o kudasai. Draft beer, please. Nama means fresh or raw. Nama biiru is literally fresh beer, meaning draft beer straight from the tap. This is the izakaya phrase. You will hear it at every table. Nama biiru o kudasai. Even if you don't drink beer, you need to know this phrase because someone at your table will definitely order it. Other common drinks orders. Sour, a Japanese cocktail made with shochu and soda.
レモンサワーをください。
Lemon sawa o kudasai. Sour, from English, super popular, refreshing, and a great non-beer option. Highball, whiskey and soda.
ハイボールをください。
Highball o kudasai. And if you don't drink alcohol or want something non-alcoholic,
ソフトドリンクはありますか？
soft drink wa arimasu ka? Do you have soft drinks? Soft drinku, soft drink, from English. And once everyone has their drink comes the most important moment of the izakaya experience.
乾杯。
Kanpai. Cheers. This is the moment. Everyone raises their glass, eyes meet, very important in Japan. Looking away during kanpai is considered rude, and you say kanpai together. Kanpai literally means empty cup, drink it all. It's the universal signal that the night has officially begun. If you're enjoying this episode and already picturing yourself at an izakaya in Japan, go ahead and subscribe. We love having you here for every step of this journey.
お願いします。
Drinks sorted, kanpai done. Now let's order food. Izakaya menus are big and exciting. Lots of small dishes meant for sharing. The word for these bar snacks and side dishes is
おつまみ。
otsumami. Bar snacks, the small plates you ordered to go with your drinks. Edamame, karaage, fried chicken, yakitori skewers, takawasa, potato salad. The options are endless. To order, you use the same structure we learned for restaurants. Just say the dish plus kudasai.
枝豆をください。
Edamame o kudasai. Edamame, please. Or pointing at the menu and saying
これをください。
kore o kudasai. This one, please. Totally valid, and staff are very used to it. At many izakaya, you order using a tablet at the table, a touchscreen menu, and you just press the item. But knowing kore o kudasai is always useful. Now, one of the most fun parts of izakaya is the mo ippai culture, another round. When your glass is getting empty and you want another drink, you signal the staff or call out
すみません。
sumimasen, excuse me, to get the staff's attention. Then,
生ビールをもう一杯ください。
nama biiru o mo ippai kudasai. Another draft beer, please. Mo ippai, one more cup. Mo means more or another, and ippai means one cup or one glass. So mo ippai, one more. This is so commonly used at izakaya that it's basically a set phrase. You can also just say
もう一杯お願いします。
mo ippai onegaishimasu. One more, please, and point to your glass. The staff gets it immediately. Now, let's talk about something amazing that many izakaya offer. Nomi hodai, all you can drink.
飲み放題。
Nomi hodai. Nomi, drinking. Hodai, as much as you want. All you can drink. For a set price and usually a set time, like 90 minutes or 2 hours, you can order as many drinks as you want. Very popular for groups and parties. And there's also
食べ放題。
tabe hodai, all you can eat. Tabe, eating. Same hodai. If you see both together, it's a dream evening. To ask if they have nomi hodai,
飲み放題はありますか？
nomi hodai wa arimasu ka? Do you have all you can drink? And they'll explain the options and pricing. Let's also learn a few phrases for enjoying the food and atmosphere. When the food arrives and looks incredible, you can say,
おいしそ
oishiso. It looks delicious. So means it seems or it looks like. We actually touched on this in episode 17. Oishiso. It looks delicious. And once you taste it and it's amazing,
う。おいしい。
oishii, delicious, simple and always appreciated by the staff and the chef. And a phrase that works perfectly when you want to order another dish,
これももう一つください。
kore mo mou hitotsu kudasai. One more of this, please. Mo, also, mou hitotsu, one more. So, kore mo mou hitotsu, one more of this too. Great for when a dish was so good you want a second round. Now, paying the bill. At the end of the night, you call for the check. At an izakaya, the bill is usually for the whole table together. To ask for the bill,
お会計をお願いします。
okaikei o onegaishimasu. The bill, please. Okaikei, the check, the bill. This is the izakaya-specific word for the bill. You'll hear it everywhere. At some izakaya, you pay at the register on your way out. The staff might say,
レジにてお支払いをお願いします。
Reji ni te oshiharai o onegaishimasu. Please pay at the register. Reji, register, from English. And one cultural note, in Japan, splitting the bill is called warikan. If you want to split equally,
割り勘でお願いします。
warikan de onegaishimasu. Split the bill, please. Warikan, each person pays their own equal share. Very common among friends. Drop a comment and tell us, have you ever been to an izakaya, or is it at the top of your Japan wish list? We want to know.
コメントして。
Let's run a complete izakaya experience from start to finish. You're going with 3 friends, 4 people total. Hiro is the izakaya staff.
いらっしゃいませ。何名様ですか？
4名です, 4 people. Staff shows you to your table, O-tooshi arrives, and the staff asks about drinks.
お飲み物はいかがですか？
生ビールを4杯ください. 4 draft beers, please. 4杯, 4 glasses. Everyone gets their beer and...
乾杯。
乾杯. Now let's order food. You call the staff. すみません。枝豆と唐揚げをください。
ありがとうございます。少々お待ちください。
少々お待ちください. Just a moment, please. Food arrives. It looks amazing. おいしそう。いただきます。
ごゆっくりどうぞ。
ごゆっくりどうぞ. Please take your time. The food is delicious. Drinks are empty. Time for another round. すみません。レモンサワーをもう一杯お願いします。
かしこまりました。
かしこまりました. Certainly. At the end of the evening, you call for the bill. すみません。お会計をお願いします。
ありがとうございました。またお越しくださいませ。
ありがとうございました。またお越しくださいませ. Thank you. Please come again. That was a complete izakaya night. Getting seated, kanpai, ordering food and drinks, another round, and paying the bill. Lightning round, izakaya situations. How many people? 4.
4名です。
4名です. Draft beer, please.
生ビールをください。
生ビールをください. Cheers.
乾杯。
乾杯. One more, please.
もう一杯お願いします。
もう一杯お願いします. Bar snacks.
おつまみ。
おつまみ. The bill, please.
お会計をお願いします。
お会計をお願いします. Split the bill.
割り勘でお願いします。
割り勘でお願いします. Perfect every time. Full recap. Getting seated. 何名様ですか? Answer. 4名です. O-tooshi, the automatic appetizer, expected. Draft beer. 生ビールをください. Cheers. 乾杯. Bar snacks. おつまみ. Another round. もう一杯お願いします. This one, please. これをください. All you can drink. 飲み放題. Delicious. おいしい. The bill. お会計をお願いします. Split the bill. 割り勘でお願いします.
完璧。
Your challenge. Practice your izakaya order right now. Say it out loud. 生ビールをください.
乾杯。
おつまみをください. もう一杯お願いします. お会計をお願いします. That's a full izakaya night in 5 phrases. Say it until it feels natural.
練習。
If this episode made you want to book a flight to Japan just to go to an izakaya, smash that like button. And share this with someone who wants to experience Japanese pub culture. Send it to them right now.
シェアして。
Subscribe if you haven't yet. We have so many more incredible Japanese situations coming up.
お願いします。
Coming up in episode 23, we're heading to Japan's tourist attractions, buying tickets at shrines and temples, asking about tours, requesting the English pamphlet, and taking photos politely. Everything you need for a perfect sightseeing day in Japan.
観光、楽しみ。
Kanko, sightseeing. You just learned how to enjoy one of Japan's most beloved social traditions, the izakaya, in Japanese.
またね、皆さん。
じゃあね! See you next time!